So today we're going to pair you up, and in your pairs you're going to create a social media makeup challenge video.
And the winning pair might just be doing a video with Nikkie. I'm saying it.
Today's assignment will test the MUAs on the biggest online makeup trend of the moment.
Opposite hand makeup challenge.
This challenge is to use edibles as makeup.
The makeup challenge dares viewers to apply makeup in unusual and totally unnecessary ways.
The basics are you want to connect with the watcher. I want to see their personality. I want to see, their passion for makeup.
Each of the MUA pairs have been given a different challenge.
Go on.
Ellis and Nikkie's
What are your ideas?
is to apply makeup with one of them blindfolded.
I think it just needs to be high energy, personal and fun.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
let's go. Do you think we should have moved more here so the chairs are like this?
So there is a lot of pressure. Let's just practice it as if this was my setup. God, we really want to win.
Belinda and Lee's video challenge is perhaps more practical. Applying makeup in the back of a cab.
Guys, do we have a plan?
We're just gonna go with our own style, like see what happens.
Bounce off each other.
Remember, when you're talking to your audience, lock eyes with the camera.
Oh, okay, yeah. That's good advice, yeah.
Brandon and Tiffany's video challenge is to apply makeup while working out 80s style in a gym.
So if we do 4 minutes and then 1 minute for intro and outro?
Yeah, I think that sounds good.
Getting makeup to stick isn't going to be a problem for Steph and Paige in their challenge video.
Oh my God. What is that? I think that's jelly, is it?
Because they're not using makeup at all.
Oh, it is marmalade.
They're using food.
In order to make a perfect makeup video, just be yourself.
Hey guys, so I'm Brandon.
I'm Tiffany.
Lock eyes, look in the lens,
Hi guys.
Hey, guys!
and make it entertaining.
It's time for the judges to view the videos, but will they like and subscribe? First up, it's Ellis and Nikkie.
Why don't you do my makeup blindfolded?
Oh, it stinks. I'm going to go in with confidence.
Confidence is key.
Yeah? Bam!
Shut up.
Oh, no, we're a bit too far with that one.
This is good. This is fun.
Just blend it out with a really fluffy brush.
This one.
They're finding the pace.
Yeah.
Sometimes I like to do the nose a little bit,
Yeah.
Looks cute.
It doesn't look convinced.
3. I did quite well.
That was good.
I felt really engaged.
Yeah.
They had such a great chemistry together.
It made me laugh.
Right.
We are going to use Marmite.
Marmite?
Marmalade.
Marmalade.
Marmite, same difference.
They haven't planned. They don't know what they're doing. They haven't even bothered to think about a look.
What is happening?
Flawless. It was just slapstick, really. They could have made an incredible painting. They could have cut up fruit and cucumbers and made this amazing facial sculpture that looked like makeup.
Next is Tiffany and Brandon.
Hey guys. We're gonna be starting with our bae.
First team to actually have music in their video.
Yes.
Great idea.
We're gonna bend our knees.
Oh, brilliant.
No way.
I love it.
So once you've safely mounted your giant ball,
Oh, brilliant.
I feel like we've never looked better.
This is our finished look. 80s is here to stay and slay.
Oh, I love it. There was passion, because you could tell that they loved doing the makeup. There was a lot of personality from both of them.
They came across really genuine. They weren't putting on a facade.
Tick.
Okay, so next up we have Belinda and Lee.
Hey, guys!
They should have set all this up before.
You're going green?
Yeah.
Why?
Why not? Red hair looks nice with green,
I wish they would involve us a little bit more.
That blend's perfect.
Thanks, babe. I think it might be the best I've ever done.
They could have done, look, this is how you do your makeup in the back of a cab.
Yeah.
Bosh. And it would have been interesting.
Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
I think there's one team that is head and shoulders above everyone else.
Yeah.
Ding dong, they're done.